Hey guys, it's Rick from RC Kismet Studio. Welcome to our next Halloween card in the Witchy Creative Card Series. I'll get the name right eventually, even though I came up with it. Alright, so today we're going to make a spooky forest card using stencils and some ink. So this is my stencil. It's a layering stencil. So I'm going to lay this on here on my sticky mat. And I'm going to start off by working on my sky. And I am going to use a little pumpkin pie. Just right through here. And then I'm going to transition that to a little berry burst. Alright, and we're going to add a little Orchid Oasis down at the bottom. Actually, we're going to use Highland Heather. Come back in here. Use a little Highland Heather right there on our tree line. I'm going to peel this up. Now I'll clean this in a minute. I'm going to put my next stencil down. Alright, for this I am going to use some Orchid Oasis. And again, I'm not too worried about where I get the little splotchiness. It's okay. It'll be alright. It's a Halloween card. They don't have to be perfect. Alright, we're going to add our next stencil. Line this up. Just line it up along my mountain ridge there. This is Starry Sky. So I'm going to do this quite heavy. Heavy. Got to add our next layer. I'm going to go back to my berry burst. Because why not? Put in my next stencil here. We're going to go back to Orchid Oasis. My next stencil. I'm going to use basic gray for this one. Could also use black if I wanted to. And I may actually throw in a little black. I'm just going to soften the sky a little bit, make it a little bit more spooky-ish. There is my fun little spooky forest scene. Alright, let me move that. Now I'm going to trim this down a little bit. I trim this down to 3 3/4 by 5. I'm sorry, 5 by 3 3/4. And cut our mat out of Orchid Oasis at 5 1/4 by 4. go. I was gonna say I had my little scoreboard here. What happens when you clean the desk off? Rick can't find crap. Nothing, I tell you, nothing. Alright, good. Alright, let's layer up our pieces. We're going to take our little stencil layer. Add that to our Orchid Oasis piece. Then we're going to take and add this to our card front. And I have already die cut my Happy Halloween sentiment and the coordinating shadow die. I've cut the Happy Halloween 3 times from Orchid Oasis cardstock, and I'm going to layer these up. So we're going to add our teeniest bit of liquid glue behind our sentiments, so we can stack these up. Alright, we're going to add our liquid glue behind this so we can add it to our shadow layer. It's going to take just a second to dry. While it does, we'll go ahead and add our adhesive behind our words. I decided to use vellum for the shadow layer because I didn't want to distract from our little spooky forest. So pop that right in there. Then we'll set our block on top and we'll decide what kind of embellishments we're going to use. Right, we're just going to use some Glacier Jewels from Pink Fresh Studio. Just add a little bit of sparkle. Thought so. Thought I didn't have enough. Alright, there is our spooky Halloween forest card. I will see you guys in the next video. See you later.